Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the lock screen clock color on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone, then scroll down and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. From here, just tap on lock screen settings. Now just tap on edit. And from here, just tap on the lock screen clock over here. Now from here, you can select any color, just like that. And from here, you can change the color intensity, just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on apply. Now if you open the lock screen, you can see that we have successfully changed the lock screen clock color on our smartphone. And this is how you can change the lock screen clock color on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.